Hi everyone, this is a quick tutorial to show you how to add the final step to make the plugin work for text-to-speech service. So once you have your subscription, you're going to type in Azure AI Services here, and you want to find this one, Azure AI Services. You click on it. So you should have a subscription by now, so just add your current subscription. Resource group, we're going to create a new one. Let's call it TTS resource group, like this. The region, it doesn't matter too much to us. Let's just call it the East US region instance pricing tier. We're just going to go for standard, and we want to check this box. Then we hit review and create. This is going to create a new service on our account, and this one is going to give us a key that we can later use to make the plugin work. So we hit create once it has finished setting up. And once it is deployed, you'll be able to access the service. All right, so we go to the resource group right here. All right, so now we have a resource group in here. So all right, and then once you're inside your resource group, it might take some time for your service to show up here, but it should show up after refreshing. You can click on it, and from here, we can head directly to keys and endpoint, and you can just copy the key right here. And now inside of the tool, if you go to settings, oh, my region was wrong, but we can change that. So it was East US right here. And we're gonna paste the key, and it's gonna be the same one for our translation as well. All right, now we can close this, and let's see if this is working. Translation is working, and let's see if we can also generate. Perfect, we got everything working.